Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to make an emergency fire when you have no access to dry wood whatsoever. No dead standing, nothing. You're always going to have something dry on you, an article of clothing, and I'll show you with this sock how to make wet wood dry and burn. It's been raining for 2 days. I have some branches on the ground here. We'll cut them up into 6-inch pieces, baton them. Possibly there will be some dry wood in the middle of those. Make a log cabin fire lay. Ferro Rod ignite our sock and then drop it down in the center of that fire lay. While that log cabin is burning, you want to have other wet pieces of wood stacked up around it to try to dry them out. And it is pine, so that's helpful. And it's not saturated to the center, but that sock will still be needed to dry it out and make it burn. Bayite key ring ferro rod. A 3-pack on Amazon is just $12. And you've seen me use this over and over again. More companion stainless steel, the light duty blade. And we'll try to ignite these frays right here. Had a flame, but it went out. It's the first time this has happened to me. Let me get some t-shirt material, hold on. Here is a shirt that I've already used before, and I have removed the hem on that. But that's what I was going to recommend you do, is to remove the hem. Now, we know a Carhartt shirt is mostly cotton. It should ferro rod ignite. Let's give it a try. And it takes a while for the flame to take off and show itself. I see a flame. Let's let it get established before we start moving it. Now let's watch it. And you would take your other wood and lean it up against this log cabin for it to be drying out. Let's see what it'll do.